Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix smart app controller blocked an app that may be unsafe and Windows level on PC. In this video, seeing before you are begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these three steps. Let's go hit the first step, restart. So go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Just refresh your system. Then go to the next step, Windows security. Disable the Windows security smart app. So we need Windows security, so search the Windows security. You will click to open, then go to that, click on the app and browser controller. Then you can find smart app controller. Once it find out, then go to that smart app controller settings. Then if this turn it on, simply turn it off, temporarily turn it off. After that, then close it, then come to back, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. After that, it will have solved this problem. Definitely these steps solved this problem. Sometimes still not working, then go to the next step, registry editor. So we need registry editor, so search the registry editor. You will click to open. Then we can go to that local mission, just click on it and expand this arrow. After that, we can expand the system. Then after that, again expand the control set in system. Then again expand controller. After that, come to here, then you can expand CI. After that, you can select policy. Then you can click on the verify and reputable policy state. Then right click to click on choose the modify. Then change value data 0 to 1. Change it. Once it done, then hit the OK to close it. After that, your problem, it will have solved this problem. So go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. After that, problem solved. And if you have any doubt, go to that comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment this video. Thanks for watching.